Namaste everyone, this is Guru Dharm, and in this class we will learn some special technique that many people has a very tight hip and they don't know what to do, how to improve the hip flexibility, and also how we can use the strap while we practice some posture, especially example we take with the butterfly. If some people they have a butterfly and the knees is very tight and we want to improve the knee flexibility and until go down like this, but how? And some peoples they are very flexible ankle, they have the space like this and they cannot keep it together. So how to fix it with the strap? I will try my best to explain you in this class. Yay! So let's begin. What overall we need a strap. So if you have any strap, okay, whatever you can do, whenever we practice. So I will show you the demonstration for the people who has hip flexibility is okay, but they have the feet is always apart like this. So simply keep the strap front of your leg under the feet like this, and go behind, and this strap goes other side over here, and this strap goes other side over here. So whenever we are here and now we try to bend forward, and then whenever we bend try to arch the back a little bit forward, then can keep the elbows, try to strap is out and go back, try to adjust your feet more closer and then try to strap like this, and now you can feel it's bounding. But if you have strap is you can lock is over here, okay, then you can make a knot, or maybe we can have the another strap that have some iron, so you can use the strap like this. So keep it your strap like this. So this is the one method to keep the strap over here, so you can sit more longer. But if you have problem about the hip joint, it means your hip is still very tight up, so whatever we can do is the same technique, but we need to use the block booster. So if you use the booster, so keep the booster is over your behind the back, and after you keep it, after you make it set your strap, you can just simply lay down. Simply lay down. It might be is difficult for some people, but it's very useful technique to open your hip joint. Keep it like this, stay here for a while, feel very comfortable, especially is over here, is everything is locked already. This technique is not for beginners, but actually this is for intermediate and advanced peoples. But beginners, however, they can try to be first technique only. And if you want to come back, take out your this, if you can do, just try to open your strap and slowly goes down, your legs will be goes out. Just try to lose your strap and then you can stretch your leg. This is the one method. Whenever you practice at home, for beginners only stretch only the legs out and goes down, and then try to open from the down to the front. This is the one technique whenever we move. So here I can go up like this and under the leg and try to keep it palm on the floor, and then move my legs and then try to move. This is the one technique for beginners. We can try to open the leg, but if you cross the strap, that is also for beginners can do, but beginners we should not lay down. For beginners, okay, we can just try and stay here for a while. If you found your feet is still open, what we can do? We can try from down and cross the strap, and then we go opposite, and then cross from the behind. That is the second technique. In this technique, we can tight from the back and tight stay here. This is the like a foundational technique now, and it's very amazing, very good technique, and we can do meditation here. If you feel very comfortable, you can enjoy this technique 5 minutes or 10 minutes until feel comfortable. If you feel uncomfortable, feel free to relieve. Feel free to relieve the strap, take out, straight your leg, and relax. Anyway, so this is a few techniques I share in this video, in this class. I hope many people enjoy this technique, and if you found that's very useful for you, I'm waiting for your comment. Do not forget to subscribe my channel, and see you in next video. Namaste everyone. Bye bye.
ทุกคนผมคิดว่าการคบกันของเราไม่ใช่เรื่องบังเอิญ
มาอยู่อีกสังคมหนึ่งโยคะเป็นสังคมอีกสังคมหนึ่งที่ไม่เหมือนสังคมที่เราเผชิญชีวิต
เหมือนจิตวิญญาณเรามันตื่นขึ้นมาอีกครั้ง
บอกนี่เนี่ยมีค่าสุดในชีวิตพี่แล้วคือการเดินบานที่อดีนา
เพื่อจะใส่ทุกคนนะครับไปส่งเขาแล้วก็ให้มันรู้ที่มันน่าอยู่